Have you ever worried about someone accessing your private files without permission? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at IObit Protected Folder, a simple yet powerful software designed to help protect your sensitive files and folders from unauthorized access. With cyber threats and privacy concerns becoming more common, keeping personal documents, photos, videos, and important data secure is more important than ever. That's where IObit Protected Folder comes in. One of the main features of this software is its ability to lock and hide files and folders with a password. Once protected, your data becomes invisible and inaccessible to other users unless they enter the correct password. This is especially useful if you share your computer with family members, coworkers, or friends.
The software also offers protection against accidental deletion or modification. This means your important files stay safe from unwanted changes, giving you extra peace of mind. Another great thing about IObit Protected Folder is its user-friendly interface. Even beginners can easily add files or folders into the protected list with just a few clicks. The setup process is quick and straightforward, so you can start protecting your data almost immediately. Performance-wise, the software runs smoothly without heavily impacting system resources. It supports various file types, including documents, images, videos, and more.
For users who value privacy and security, IObit Protected Folder can be a practical solution for keeping confidential data safe and organized. Overall, IObit Protected Folder is a lightweight and effective security tool for anyone looking to add an extra layer of protection to their personal files on Windows. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more software reviews and tech content. Also, leave a comment below and let us know what you think about IObit Protected Folder or which software you'd like to see reviewed next. See you in the next video.